Hey, Apple fans, what if I told you that your favorite budget-friendly iPhone is getting a major glow-up? Yeah, no more small screen, big bezels nonsense. Apple's iPhone SE 4 is about to drop, and trust me, this one's going to be a game changer. Bigger screen, beastly power, and a camera that'll make your Instagram followers jealous. Stick around because we're diving into all the juicy details, and you won't want to miss what's coming next. Okay, let's rewind a bit. The last iPhone SE, that was back in 2022 ancient history by tech standards. Fast forward to 2025, and Apple's been cooking up something that's finally worth the wait. Rumors were buzzing that we'd see it in March, but trusted Apple guru Mark Gurman cleared the air. Expect the SE 4 to hit shelves in April 2025. Yep, April, so circle your calendars and start saving. First up, the design. Say goodbye to that dated iPhone 8 style body and hello to a sleek new look. Picture this, a 6.06-inch OLED display. That's a massive jump from the old 4.7-inch LCD. More screen real estate means more binge watching, more gaming, and more scrolling TikTok until 3 a.m. We've all been there. And let's be honest, nobody's going to miss the home button. Touch ID is moving under the power button, just like on some newer iPads. Fancy, right? Now, under the hood, things get serious. The iPhone SE 4 is packing Apple's latest and greatest A18 chipset. That's the same chip powering the flagship iPhone 16. Translation, it's going to be fast. Whether you're editing videos, gaming, or just jumping between apps like a multitasking ninja, this phone can handle it. And wait for it, 8 gigabytes of RAM. That's double what the SE3 had. Finally, smooth multitasking without the oh, my phone's lagging moments. Photography fans, you're in for a treat. The SE4 is borrowing the same camera system from the iPhone 16, a 48 megapixel fusion lens. Imagine stunning detailed shots without dropping a fortune on a pro model. Whether you're snapping sunsets, food pics, or just endless selfies, the quality's going up a notch. And speaking of selfies, there's a 12 megapixel true depth front camera too. Now, let's talk cash. In the US, the SE 4 is expected to start at around $500 plus import fees. But hey, you're still getting flagship level features without the 4-figure price tag. So there you have it. The iPhone SE 4 is bringing the heat. New design, powerhouse performance, killer camera, all at a price that won't leave your wallet crying. April can't come soon enough, right? Hit that like button if you're hyped for this release. Let me know in the comments, are you team SE or are you saving up for a Pro? And don't forget to subscribe for all the latest Apple news, unboxings, and more tech goodness. Until next time, stay awesome. Peace out.